When it comes to insurance, you're probably wondering why rates are increasing and what you can do to lower premiums. Insurance rates are going up for a couple of reasons: inflation and more extreme weather events. Inflation means things are getting more expensive, so insurance companies have to charge more to cover their costs. With the inclement weather happening lately, like hurricanes and floods, insurance companies are paying out more for their claims. However, regardless of the economic situation, our team at Payne Insurance Group is here to assist customers in understanding their insurance options, finding the best coverage for their needs, and discovering potential discounts to help them save on their insurance premiums. Who is the Payne Insurance Group? Payne Insurance Group has a vast network of more than 15 carriers, including Allstate, Nationwide, Germania, Pronto, and others. We're here to provide you with the coverage you need for all aspects of your life. Our team of licensed insurance agents is well-versed in insurance for your auto, home, business, and more. Whatever your insurance needs may be, Payne Insurance Group has got you covered. We believe in making insurance accessible and hassle-free, which is why we offer free quotes. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff is ready to assist you in finding the right policy that fits your unique requirements. Making insurance simple and easy to understand while ensuring your peace of mind is what makes us Payne Insurance Group.